Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a DIY silhouette art on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up Canva, and after that just upload your desired picture that you want to edit. So after uploading, you have to just go here and click on edit. So after you click on edit, you'll be able to see duotone here. Just click here on duotone and just select any kind of effects that you want to add to your photo. So that's it with the video guys. That's how you make a DIY silhouette art on Canva. You can also use background remover, but you have to have Canva Pro for that. So that's it. Thanks guys. Take care.